Hi everyone, today we are shading this model. Animation is next week, so stick around till the end. Let's dive in. So hi guys again. So the first thing I will do, I will parent everything with the bottom part. So I hit A to select everything. I will double click here on the bottom part, then press Ctrl P, objects. So if you select this part, everything will move. Right now I have 4 materials. You will find the materials name in the description below. And go to material tab, you will find it here. I select the glass, this part. Go to edit mode, go to face selection and select everything, right click, UV unwrap faces, unwrap. Then I will double click on the material here. I will do the same in this part or this part, this one, double click. Okay, right now I will go and get the glass material here, copy and paste it here and hit enter. You will find it, I think this one. Select the glass part, double click. Okay, right now I will go to the stainless steel, copy, paste, enter. I will select this one, double click, and here double click too. Okay, go here. This is I think the plastic. Go to plastic, the black plastic, and this one will be this too. Switch on solo mode, go to edit mode, go to face selection and select this part. I will add here one material, assign that, press I to insert and press anywhere. Copy, pasted here. Okay, I think this one, just double click, it will go automatically here. Control here and control and control. Okay, a new material, assign it. Okay, switch off solo mode. So right now we finished the material part. Save it. Right now I will create the studio. So shift A, cube. Okay, I will scale it. Go to front view, enable X-ray, move it along the axis. Okay, go to edit mode, face selection, select this face, delete it. Go to edge selection, select those edges, bevel them. Okay, I forget this edge. Okay, shade smooth. Right now I will create a camera, so I will go to front view. Okay, Shift A, camera. So what I will do here, Control Alt 0. So I have to move the camera, go to view here, enable camera to view, and you can move it as you want. I will go here like this, disable camera view. I will select the cube again. Disable X-ray. I will go to edit mode, add one loop here and another one here in the middle. Go to vertex selection, select this vertex, Shift S, cursor to selected, then go to object mode, object, set origin to cursor, item 0. So we can move it a little down like this, Z, a little bit, not too much, like this. Okay, go back to the camera by pressing 0. Okay, I will select the cube, scale it. So right now we can see the kettle. Okay, you can move the camera as you want. Go to view again, camera to view. So right now it's time for HDRI. I will go to this this space. I will go here and the watch icon. Go to shader editor. From here, world. I will select background and head delete. Shift A, image. So go to image texture, from color to surface, open, go and pick any HDRI from here. I will take this one, the studio one. This one. Okay, so right now if you try to do something here before even adding any light, okay, it will be good, but we have to add some lights to make it more realistic. So it's time for the label. I will go here, select the glass. I will select this this vertex. Shift S, cursor to selected. Go back to object mode. Shift A, image mesh plane. You will find a link in the description for the texture for this label. It's easy. You can do it by Photoshop. Import. I will scale it, move it down, rotate it and Z-axis. Go to edit mode. I will add some segments here and more segments here. Sorry, undo, do segments here. Okay, I will go to modifier, shrink wrap. From here, shrink wrap, I will select the glass. Then I will try by going here. Okay. I think we have to rotate it RZ, okay, to opposite way, like this. Maybe like that. 180. Okay, perfect. So right now it's time for lighting. Let's go. So I will add workspace here. Shift S, cursor toward origin. Shift A, light area, move it in Z-axis, along Z-axis, scale it. I will make it 100, the power. Okay. Then duplicate that, move it in Y-axis, rotate in X like this, and you can play with it as you want. Just to try to do something special, and I will duplicate that again, move it along Y-axis and rotate like this. Okay, GZ, move it down. Okay, maybe we can move it a little bit back. Okay, I will create one more light, duplicate this, move it along X-axis and rotate along Y. I will scale it. That's it. I will close this area. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, give me a like and subscribe. And don't forget, next week we will work